Good morning all. Last time we have studied about first order differential equation. In this portion we have already studied about separable differential equation and the differential equation that can be transformed into separable differential equation. Next we have studied about exact equation and the differential equations that can be transformed into exact differential equation and solutions of that. Today we have one more classification, a differential equation which is called the linear differential equation, which is said to be linear. A differential equation is said to be linear when the dependent variable and its derivatives occur only in first degree and are not multiplied together. Then that equation is said to be linear equations. We have solution to find the integrating factor of the differential equation, which is equal to e raised to integral. The general form of the linear differential equation is y dash plus p of xy plus which is equal to q of x, and its solution. To find its solution, we have to find the integrating factor, and the integrating factor is equal to e raised to integral p of x dx, and the solution is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q of x into integrating factor dx. Now we have four problems to solve. Solve the differential equation dy by dt minus 2y is equal to 4 minus t. Here this is a linear differential equation. A linear differential equation. So p of t is equal to minus 2 and q of t is equal to 4 minus t. Here the variable is t. So p of t and q of t. So we have to find the integrating factor first. So which is equal to e raised to integral p dt, which is equal to e raised to integral minus 2 dt, which is equal to e raised to minus 2t. Solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor dt, which is equal to y into e raised to minus 2t is equal to integral of 4 minus t into e raised to minus 2t dt. Now we have to find the right side, 4 minus t. This is, we can return this as e raised to this is equation 1. 4 minus t into e raised to minus 2t dt is equal to integral 4 e raised to minus 2t minus t e raised to minus 2t dt. This is equation 2. Now here we have to find equation 4 e raised to minus 2t. We have to find the t e raised to minus 2t dt. Here we have to use the integration by parts. So first into integral of the second, e raised to minus 2t by minus 2 minus the integral of derivative of first is 1, e raised to minus 2t by 2 by minus 2 dt, which is equal to minus t by 2 minus t by 2 e raised to minus 2t plus minus is plus, so 1 by 2. Integral of e raised to minus 2t is e raised to minus 2t by minus 2. So which is equal to minus t by 2 e raised to minus 2t minus 1 by 4 e raised to minus 2t. This is again after this plus c is there, constant of integration. Now substitute in 2. So integral of equation 2 is integral of 4 minus t e raised to minus 2t dt is equal to integral 4 e raised to minus 2t dt minus integral t e raised to minus 2t dt, which is equal to 4 into integral e raised to minus 2t is e raised to minus 2t by minus 2 minus integral of t e raised to minus 2t is minus 1 by 2 e raised to minus 2t minus 1 by 4 e raised to minus 2t plus c. So now, so this is equal to 4 by 2 is, this is equal to minus 2 e raised to minus 2t minus this is plus t by 2 e raised to minus 2t, this is plus 1 by 4 e raised to minus 2t plus c. Now we can substitute in 1. So solution is y e raised to minus 2t is equal to minus 2 e raised to minus 2t plus t by 2 e raised to minus 2t plus 1 by 4 e raised to minus 2t plus c. Now multiply the whole equation by e raised to 2t. So this becomes y is equal to minus 2 plus t by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus c e raised to 2t. Now we have minus 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to minus 7 by 4 plus t by 2 plus c e raised to 2t is the solution. Next problem is solve dy by dx plus y tan x is equal to q of x. This is a linear differential equation. So p of x is equal to tan x and q of x is equal to cos cube x. Now to solve a linear differential equation we have to find integrating factor, which is equal to e raised to integral p dx, which is equal to e raised to integral tan x dx. Integral tan x is log ln sec x, which is equal to sec x. So the solution of differential equation is, solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q of x into integrating factor dx. So which is equal to y sec x is equal to integral q of x is cos cube x into sec x dx, which is equal to cos cube x into, which is equal to integral cos square sec x is 1 by cos x. So this is we can write this as 1 by cos x dx. So 1 cos x cancels, so integral cos square x dx. To find integral of cos square x we have to change cos square x into integral 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx, which is equal to 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 into integral cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 plus c. Therefore solution is y sec x is equal to 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. Next problem is t into solve t into 1 minus t square y dash plus 2 t square minus 1 into y is equal to 8t cube. This is not in the form of linear differential equation. So we have to divide the term. So we have to divide the coefficients to 2t square minus 1 by t into 1 minus t square y is equal to 8t cube divided by t into 1 minus t square. So this cancels, so this is t square. So p of t is equal to 2t square minus 1 by t into 1 minus t square. Q of t is equal to a t square by 1 minus t square. This is a linear differential equation. Now the integrating factor is equal to e raised to integral p dt, which is equal to e raised to integral 2t square minus 1 by t into 1 minus t square dt. So we have to find the integral first. So for that, 2t square minus 1 by t into 1 minus t square, that we can partial fraction as 2t square minus 1 by t into 1 minus t into 1 plus t. Denominator is 1 minus t square is 1 plus t into 1 minus t. So this we could write a by t plus b into b by 1 minus t plus c by 1 plus t. 2t square minus 1 is equal to a into 1 minus t into 1 plus t and b t into 1 plus t and c into t into 1 minus t. T equal to 0. Then this then equation becomes left side is minus 1, right side is a, which implies a is equal to minus 1. Now put t equal to 1, which implies 2 into 1 square. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Left side is 1. The term in a is equal to 0. b into 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2b. So which implies b is equal to 1 by 2. So now put t equal to minus 1. So left side 2 into minus 1 all square, that term becomes 1, 2 into 1 minus 1. So left side is 1. Now first term becomes, when t equal to minus 1, 1 plus t term becomes 0. So first and second term equal to 0. So next last term is c into minus 1 is minus c, 1 minus minus 1, 2 minus 2c, which implies c is equal to minus 1 by 2. So we have this in the integrating factor 2t square minus 1 by t into 1 minus t square. 2t square minus 1 by t into 1 minus t square is equal to a by a is equal to 1 by minus 1, a is equal to minus 1 by t plus b is 1 by 1 by 1 minus t, c is minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus t. Integral 2t square minus 1 by t into 1 minus t square is equal to integral of minus 1 by t plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 minus t minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus t dt. Which is equal to integral of, this is minus ln t, this is 1 by 2 ln 1 minus t plus minus 1 by 2 ln 1 plus t. We can make into all the terms into negative by minus ln mod t. This is by making 1 by 2 into ln mod of t minus 1 minus 1 by 2. There is no change here, but we could write this as t plus 1. So this is ln 1 by mod t plus ln 1 by root of t minus 1 plus ln 1 by root of t plus 1. So this is equal to ln 1 by mod t into root of t minus 1 into t plus 1. So this is t square minus 1. Since ln a plus ln b plus ln c is equal to ln abc. Therefore, integrating factor is equal to e raised to ln 1 by mod t square root of t square minus 1, which is equal to 1 by mod t into square root of t square minus 1. Therefore, solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor d t, which is equal to y into integrating factor is equal to 1 by mod t into square root of t square minus 1 by, which is equal to integral of right side is a t square by 1 minus t square into 1 by mod t into square root of t square minus 1 dt. So this we could cancel one time. So, and this is, we could write, if we take negative from this side, so this becomes minus 8t by integral of minus 8t by 1 minus t square into t square minus 1. We can take the, here I took the negative of that, so t square minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 dt. Now put u is equal to t square minus 1, then du is equal to 2t dt. So t dt is equal to du by 2, which is equal to minus integral minus a du by 2 u raised to 3 by 2, which is equal to minus a by 2 into u raised to minus 3 by 2 is u raised to minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 plus c. So u is equal to, which is equal to a into t square minus 1 raised to minus 1 by 2 plus c. This is the solution. Next problem is solve the initial value problem. Ty dash plus 2y is equal to 4t square. Given initial condition as y of 1 is equal to 2. So first we have to divide the whole equation by 2. So y dash plus 2 by ty is equal to 4t square by t is 4t. So p of t is equal to 2 by t, q of t is equal to 4t. So integrating factor is equal to e raised to integral p dt, which is equal to e raised to integral 2 by t dt, which is equal to e raised to 2 ln t dt, ln t, which is equal to e raised to ln t square equal to t square. Therefore, solution is y integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dt, which is equal to y t square is equal to integral of q is equal to 4t into t square dt, which is equal to integral 4 therefore we can take outside t cube dt. Integral t cube is t raised to 4 by 4, which is equal to 4 into t raised to 4 by 4 plus c. So we can cancel this, so this is t raised to 4 plus c. So the given initial condition is given that y of 1 is equal to 2, that is when t is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So y into t square, t is 1 square, is equal to 1 raised to 4 plus c, which implies c is equal to 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Therefore solution is y t square is equal to t raised to 4 plus 1 is the solution.